an eco-friendly cloth pad at home is simple, sustainable, and entirely in your hands. Here's what you need. First, draw your layout on paper. Trace the shape of a standard pad with wings to create your master template. A safe, effective pad needs three distinct layers: a soft, breathable top, a highly absorbent core, and a leak-proof base. Lay your template flat and trace it. Cut one piece for the top, one for the base, and layers for your absorbent core. Stack your layers carefully. Sew the absorbent core to the center, then stitch all the outer edges securely closed clear. Add a snap to the wings, and it is ready. A healthy, reusable choice for you and a cleaner choice for our Earth.